a video I go on, yes?
Over there. Keep rolling. Don't stop.
Straighten up and go on now.
Push power there, people. For me.
And on we'll go.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. If you're always watching, hey, what's up? Big up yourself. You don't know, it's a girl Dominique here with you. Make sure to go ahead and like this video, share this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and all that good jazz. So listen up, guys. Today I have a challenge for myself in regards to me doing videos and all of that, right? Today I am challenging myself to do a, let's say, I won't say 40, but I won't say 50, because 50 was the number I had in mind, but let's say a 40 to 50 minute long vlog. If you guys think I can do that, if you guys see this video and it's within that range, please to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment saying we like long vlogs. Definitely would try my best to do a whole lot of more of that. I won't leave time I go on the road and we can't give a long vlog, but just because we can't bother with the taking out of the phone and all of that, it kind of cut off a road. You understand? Anyways, I got this bandeau from my granny. Is my natural hair? Sure, and I hope not. I don't feel like doing any baby hair, so that's where we have this part left out right here. You guys know I'm always doing wigs with baby hair, and if no baby hair not show, then that means the wig have on that headband around it. Oh no, Mr. already. Not all the while my fancy. I haven't done my makeup in ages. You guys can attest to that based on the videos that I leave over here. It's been a while. But anyways, I gotta run out of the house. I gotta go ahead and deal with some stuff, and today is also Black Friday, the official day, the official sale day of Black Friday. So I said I got a whole heap of things to watch in the vlog here. I'm not gonna split it up, I'm just try to make the vlog extremely long. So I'm gonna leave the house now, and as soon as I get back, as soon as I head out and I'm like on the road or wherever, I'll probably come back. Alright? So from you all seeing this, you all know where I'm heading. The first stop for today is the Money College Multidisciplinary Institution. Your opportunities for success. So that's where I'm heading. So guys, I gotta make sure that I have my mask ready to put on. This terrible up. Oh my god, that bag is so full. Alright. So okay guys, I am currently on the campus and I'm super tired. Okay, my mask just, I thought it burst, though it did not. Alright, so I'm heading to the main office, not main office or accounts. Let's see the door lock. Hopefully it's not locked because I have a whole bunch of stuff to do today and I can't wait on nobody. You understand? Okay guys, we're currently in Azan's in Linstead. We're going to check out a rug that they have in here. So we're going to walk this side here. The rug is up over there. Alright. The rug. It looks like a rug shot it on, I think. The rug here be fairly big, right?
This one?
Yeah. This one. Which one you look on? Other one you look on. I never look on them, they're just the one that made it feature. The one that... Eh? Which one? Thin? What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Red now, you want one color I can match it with everything. That more look panel.
This is all the color looking for, yeah.
It's not all. Baby say all an ugly color. This one looks short. Why me see this cat? You have so much color, you have the green and
And this seller.
it's a sold.
And this so thin.
Nothing, babe. It's a thin. Well, look on the other options then. What are the other options? The black one. How much about the black one? What's the price on the black one? Ah, what's the price? This black one right here. That'll be one you try big and
27, 470. But 10% off.
to verify this one. Is it a price down here? Where is it? What's the price on this?
I think that one is for 5,500.
I saw 4,000 on it when I came. Who tear off the price? Came and I saw 4. What's it with this
But the
stuff?
price for today is I think for 4,000.
Then tear off the price for the business today and we have $4,000 on it. What you think? What do you think? What did you yesterday?
What are those?
You know like that one there? Okay guys, we're currently going to Bashko now to see what comforter we got. Cause we just purchased a mat, a rug and a tree. So yeah, here. No, and this tree right here. So they have the sale, which is Bashka sale right here. Alright. Push. Yeah, the traffic out of who? Tash. What do you think?
What's the phone down?
Want to go back? Go what this one now? The one that me want there silly. You like that? Green looking one will come with the sheep and everything.
It's nice.
What do you show me? You like it?
You like what it is? Huh? You want to have a material like this?
No, my old time material. I decided one of the other second option. Can I come with skirt and I want in this.
7 pieces.
One come in there. One cover here, 2 pillow sham, one dust ruffle at the skirt, right? One cushion, one decorative pillow and what's neck rolls. I can go with this then.
Never.
So this, yeah, 15% off this. Take that one?
Oh, this is a queen?
Yeah.
You better work. Wait, you better work.
Queen.
Queen? How can you buy? Forget the fluffy.
We're not having a king.
Ah,
How much this will be? We work with this, mom. It's fine.
3 piece of a
It's fine.
what is here?
Masha, they have some 700, but a really thin one. Mommy, let's see have in here. So what? So this, mommy, this could have work with the yellow in it, with the green curtain what you have, and yellow, and grey.
You know the
Carry it up, and grey.
wait.
We're not sitting here, but today I watch it Bashko. 700. But the really thin ones, we're not sitting here. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, town? Come, babe. I got the material, mommy, the long time. Oh, you know they all. No, something like that.
I want to wife him to cook with it up.
They have white at 14 with 15% off. They have one they want to for 22 there. They have a really thin one them are watching.
I got a tin on you.
Yeah. They never have no white up a Sinclair. What's your fee for that one?
1,300.
Hold on, I'm gonna go look for some. Hold on. Work it up here, Odian. 13 times 15 divided by 100. In math. Mommy! Okay, sorry. Alright guys, the fluffy mat that I was talking about, these are 30% off. Perfect. They have this like in white, and what sizes are these? It's 30% off. This would be really good. Honestly, I'll grab this right now. It depends on the length. Some of them have to see the length. So I'm gonna ask sisters. Yeah. Alright guys, we're leaving. I got this bag right here to go with. What's that? To go with the cushion cover the setting and all.
So how you gonna
I don't like chocolate in a rush, you know. It make me upset. I can't get what I want. Anyways, we're cashing out now. Here.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, we made it to the car park where the car is parked. So we have a whole bunch of stuff in our hands. Yeah, we're going with mommy car. Oh my god, she stopped though. Can't wait in the sun at all. Alright guys, just a little change of scenery. Normally you see us on the toll. Today we are taking the Bagua Gorge. So otherwise known as Flat Bridge. So we're utilizing this road today. There was this rock that I can show you guys. If you're from Jamaica, then you know that rock. The part is already saying does not make any sense talking about it. Nice sunshine out. The day is very hot. The road is very busy also because Black Friday sale actually at its best, and we have the river over there. That's not gonna tell no lie. What if I dead man over there? A whole lot of persons. I truck now look like it can break though. And I eat. Are the truck, mommy? Or something around there. Watch the truck. Watch a big old truck that go in that corner. It has the biggest unit that goes in that big road.
Yeah.
Where my door? My turn back. Tell me where you are go. Oh, you want to see exactly what we come make one accident happen. You know, say like an accident. But look how your truck a reverse like that now. In the path inside. Oh yes, oh yes. You know, say look like one accident happen when you start something. Hold on, guys. The traffic got all the way up the center. Mommy, you want to take it the road. Hey, mommy. You want to take a look after me just start well for dead man over that river. You one time mommy take the road a problem. Can you believe it? And we're like in the middle of nowhere. You can turn to the toll, don't it? Oh my god. What is this? Alright guys, we'll go up there and see what's happening. Cause it seems like the vehicle them up this side turn. Cause the vehicle them will come this side, them are, if you can see them. Them are turn. So our accident definitely happen up there.
What's the vehicle that come past us? So?
Guys, the sun today is very dreadful. Hot, hot, hot.
Where's the truck? Where's the truck there?
Probably up at the bridge. Probably the truck up at the bridge.
Where's that far tool that go? Huh?
So them drive stupid. So the sun up in my face. Oh god. So what happened is a truck they said basically blocked the road. Mr. Policeman here did see. Basically blocked the road, but we're not sure what happened because one side of the traffic is coming down smooth and the other side is literally jam up. So see the man still. I'll pay the money if I operate the traffic. So, okay guys, we're currently out where the bridge is and so said so done. It's not an accident but an accident. Yeah, an incident. You seem like persons coming from the other side cannot pass, mommy.
They can't come over.
They can't come over.
Because like when they force up, it comes
so.
So you can convert van man, I think you reach over right long time.
Look how slow him off here go. Can you imagine? No, God. Guys, I'm reach up to the truck. I'm showing you the truck. I'll be a bush not here, so now on the bridge. The truck is up there. While all this is happening, this Rami is just enjoying his meal for the day. Rami or she? You then pass it down there. We don't have sand. They might check in if you come exercise, they don't have good luck, mommy. Alright, okay. I tell the bus to go and the bus have force up himself. It's a taxi lecture. I force up himself and then I tell him to stop. Alright guys, this is our time to cross over. So half of the truck over in the day. You see half of the truck in there over? You mommy? One piece of somebody not over there no?
Video are going, yes.
Keep rolling. Don't stop.
Straighten up and go on now.
Push over there, people. Mommy. You try to come back around yourself. Mommy, your heart go up, but you come on a while ago. Can you look? Based on me, I look. Me, I see only they grow. Oh, they caught a while ago. Eh? Watch this man here. Oh my god.
I'm being mad people right now.
But the 910 over now. I just broke it down right there, so what a space it broke down.
No, I one thing I drive in test.
Eh?
Yes,
To see if I can drive.
Yes.
Oh my god. Could Tanta Blocks. When you a Tanta Blocks, you want to about Tanamana Odin? In just not a gold car there a while ago, the head last stick up. No one bend.
I see someone chuck on and still a board. Where them a board? Just stay back and chuck man and stop.
We just saw Tanta Blocks, guys, in our gold signal down there, so. Currently we are at Edge Camp because, as you guys know, they have sale everywhere. So right now all they're having is a Christmas 20% sale off low sheen paint. Babe over there, and I'm right here, and mommy is inside. So people, it just puff up, no comb, no brush, no nothing, to basically lovely. Oh, let me look like somebody again. My wig got dropped because they no glue down, but I already let you guys know this morning. I put it out on the table that it was not glued on or anything like that. So we're basically just now in Spanish Town. Yeah, I just saw something though that like it was really concerning. You know, like in Jamaica, them just always, if there's like two, for instance, at here you're supposed to get JTA discount, right? And they're having a Christmas special discount, right? They don't want you to, you can't apply both discount because they're saying, okay, if you're giving a 20%, you're not supposed to use the JTA discount. And under something it says JTA discount membership JTA membership card accepted here, right? So that is something that is permanently always happening. And then they now have a new discount where is the 20% off the low sheen stuff. Well, forget the two of them. Oh no, it's not say either or either. You know, so for foreigner they can use coupon, electronic coupon, different from paper made coupon. You can get, if they have sale in the store where them have different, you apply all of them there. Oh no, not here in Jamaica. I can speak for the rest of the Caribbean, but not in this part of the Caribbean. It does not happen. Comment down below if you think something I say wrong. I don't think the both of them should be able. Anyway, you can help people to, you know, save. I mean, you guys are making millions, billions. Like, yeah, but just a chill. Yeah, on to the next stop. I mean, you guys, or whatever, I can show you guys what we are getting or anything like that. You know, them place festive though. We have Christmas decor going on inside and Christmas tree lights up on inside. These are some other stuff. We're getting here. We're going to the car. No, it's not closed. No. They're not putting it in the truck. Huh?
What that?
We got these, so put them in. Put this one in, Mom. Here's the other one. Keep the little one inside, and keep the white one just in case. What I want? Okay. So we're leaving now, on the go. Alright, with my background showing, can you guys tell where I'm at? Can you guys just make this random guess and say, okay, Tash, you're at? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, yes. We're at Tools Hardware again. After the third vlog now, may I feature us there at Tools Hardware. Third vlog. We came here to purchase some tiles. So I guess Mom, she basically knew what she wanted, so we're basically just coming here to purchase it. But the Black Friday sale we are going make the place. What? But you can't carry it back. She purchased a door, the door is too big. I know them have the one. This was always here, Mommy. And this looks slimmer than the one with the yard.
That one there, that 20.
And this is 24 by 80. So, yeah. Baby's finally in the vlog. Say hello. Say hello. That's how you feel, hello? So, yeah. Yeah, which tile you gonna buy? You figure what? People make sure I could one brush, you know? Or something, babes. I do want to fix down all this. Let me fix my leg. Nothing. You look better now, me? Your phone lean. Yeah, lean your phone. You look better now. What's for? My nose is covered.
Anak ni ada.
Eh?
Anak ni ada.
Okay, guys. Alright. Here, fix up and look much better. Alright. I'm really loving this bandeau. I got this from my granny. I paid 100 Jamaican dollars. She charged me 100 Jamaican dollars for this. And I really love this. If you guys know where I could get more, I'll definitely take some more of these bandeaus. Where's mom? What's with the line? With the line after we not get you over today? This is the one that I got here. No? Yeah. These are nice as well. Like literally, I'll definitely want this in my house. For sure. And then the whole standing one. But guys, I mean, today I'm going to time we come out, I'm supposed to know what over here from, what over there from, what over there. So not really featuring that much today. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? You see this something be the backsplash? Maybe that kind here would be so much better instead of it order it on Amazon. But the last time I come in never have it. It's better to have it here. At least you know we'll be able to work. But I wonder if a lady not understand. I feel like a lady don't understand, you know. She don't understand. Anyways, people, just another day here. This white Parma vanity. Alright, this is 16,000. I already have the walls 2, 3, 4, and a few look at draw. 16,000. Alright, nothing this reality. My mommy there. Babe here. This is nice. How about how much it is? This is not bad. This single in the bathroom. In B, this is not the bathroom by itself, but that's nice, no? This. They do have these vanity mirror. Every time I come and go on one different tour, I want to see different things. This would be so unique to have in your bathroom, so you know you have a lot of space. Plus the mirror, you're capitalizing on the mirror space with the storage and all of that. My mommy there, she needs to move fast now because inside here is really full and we don't want to have to. Yeah. You're the person we're looking for, Miss Johnson. Where there? Huh? Mommy sticking on in your wipe and most people think she has COVID. You're in your wipe, might make people think you're sick.
You like this as the rough one? 5 piece. Look up the step up.
Which step?
The step up where I grandma.
Yeah.
Why they never put back the one of them?
Yeah.
It's like the same thing, no?
Who said they want a rough one? Grandma?
Grandma wants it.
Auntie Pet said something about a rough one?
I didn't people didn't give it.
Who give you?
It's someone there right
Tyler?
9 square feet, tile, rough.
I guess it's water.
The step.
But you don't want something much because these two are half.
I mean, so they are, don't you?
Yeah, they are.
The step.
Then I'm the other rough one?
Me not buy this, I'm gonna put one of them
Mats.
Yeah.
For sure. For sure. Wait for the lady. So how much of these they're going to get? Oh, she's called. Oh my god.
So the color we maybe about the same time.
And that made us see.
And then you will get a match.
Oh, this is what this like our example of the rough one.
You never get that.
Yeah. You now got you uniform. Yeah. Okay. So we have people helping us out with what we know exactly what we want. Because we have been here 3 times. So this is like probably the final time to confirm everything. Okay. But mommy, you located the style for the gazebo already? Huh? Around there. What you say about this with the gazebo?
The tile, we want to break.
Yeah, but you did see the style around there, so.
I probably not just buy one tile and get the tile and put it.
Yeah, they probably if you try what change I like.
No, just if
Yeah, get one tile with the seat around there, so.
that one, 124 tile. One sheet, one.
Yeah, one single one. Maybe come back after because there's nothing else to really video right now. We're gonna get this tile right here. Comment down below if you think it's a nice style. I like the marble. Really uptone, new, what do you call it? New living, new style, you know. Marble is kind of what's wearing right now, so this is what we're gonna get. I'm not sure what else mom is getting. Yeah.
Inside.
Yeah.
What does you see?
Oh really? Why me think that inside you're gonna step like you're stepping out of a bathroom? Oh my god, I thought that's what happened, you know? Like you stepped into a bathroom. No. I wanna look up here, see what they have. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Are they? What are they here now? Oh, over there. So mom, you not apply? She's cashing out now. Cashing out, so we're gonna print a receipt and whatever. Alright guys, 1 million sample, 1 paper. 1 million sample, 1 paper. The man is gonna add everything. Alright, let's go. She's gonna call it now, so I guess the tiles are outside. Tile them keep over there, so. Oh, you're not collecting no. You have to get the receipt.
Probably I just collect the 3 pieces of tile.
Alright guys, we are in the city of Kingston and we're at the main point, halfway 3. But we're basically down at the bottom part where we're coming from, where Agri Park Road. Yeah, so we're gonna go around and then go up to Papine side. People are mentioning about the traffic. Look at the traffic. The traffic is crazy on the outside. Honestly, you can imagine going that side now because the lights put up on green and the vehicle them hardly move. I'm gonna realize everything I start rush across the road, so even when the light go green, we're probably not gonna move. Oh my god. Crazy. I'm not telling you about the traffic, man. We're now at the transportation center. For those who don't know, this is like one of the biggest transportation center in Jamaica, basically. And they have like underneath it is more like a mall. They have like a mall. It's basically like a mall under it, or a plaza, basically. People they know weird, you know. Everybody just up and rush, like say them alone and go about them business. So this is it. Yeah. They say they want to come in front of people and then move. You like that kitchen, mommy? Right, funny stop. Oh god. Cool people. So say in Corona must be a highest point, yes, mommy? Eh, cool people. Look at people. My god. So I guess if you're watching this vlog, then you can basically attest to, if you're a working class person and you get paid a mountain, you don't know the rush look on the road. The rush to the road crazy. As a mommy just said, say a mountain. No one eat this.
On this Santina.
You don't eat Tina this size. Stadium slip. What? What you want? What's that one?
Slifey.
Slifey. Yeah. I don't know how the rush go. Like, and Even in the Oakland, the place look jam up just like this, you know what I mean? Just like this. It just not have, because we don't have so many places can go. It's only one place, you know, from round the town come round. But two town have so much. And because look at this part is full. And then we can notice every part when we come from New Kingston and go over there so crazy too. So boy, living a town rough. I don't know how some people manage it. Like I know all of them uptown life living on want and all that, but with all of this traffic, may I tell you, and this is like basically like an everyday thing, you know what I mean? But now will probably be a lot like now, more, but on a regular day, evening, yeah,
bonus
and all of that. So basically it's crazy. Our windows are down and people just look and we wonder like, oh, we are talking. She talking to the phone or whatever. Because right now I'm about over there to look right in my face. But who cares? We're on the challenge making a vlog lasting for 40 to 50 minutes. So comment down below if I made it possible. Tell me how I did with all of that and whatever. We're on our way to go pick up packages. And that's the reason why we're in this traffic right now. Because if not, we would have been on our way heading out of the city. But because we're going to pick up package and all of that. So, yeah. So guys, we went and collect a few packages. But these are like personal item package that was purchased for ourselves. So this is like a Bath and Body Works stuff that we got on the sale. That happened the other day on lotion. So this is a whole bunch. Don't make it light change back for you, mom. Light a change back for you. So yeah, we're just here. The traffic is crazy as usual. So we're just at bustling town, right? Yep. So I'm about to try to smell these and see what they're like. Alright, we're currently back in the office after we got the packages. This light brighty, what's up? Billboard brides. The traffic people still crazy, and now it's about 5 to 6, somewhere to 6. And this is the traffic that we have to deal with right now. And all of that. And people are about to feel it over there, so and all them something there. See, the light is green now, and vehicles are hardly moving. I feel like it's crazy. Straight black right. Oh, there's people there. You think I'm moving? My hat and a bun up, so I did take off my wig. I did take off my wig. So which way are you gonna go?
No, I mean go across the light, you have to go big road.
Oh, cause the light change back. The light change back. I mean, some know people who live in a town like this, like crazy.
Mad life.
Mad life. Mommy say mad life. I'm hungry, honestly. Circle K. Circle K is a known the Circle K is one known gas station for their friend audience.
Really?
Over there, so.
A gas station, huh?
No, but I mean, isn't Circle K supposed to be a audience?
I want place or gas station. I gas station, I want place or gas station.
Is it? No man, Circle, not it called itself.
Atlanta Circle K or gas station.
Yeah, Circle K just like this, don't want me?
So you see what I'm doing,
international peeps. Circle K, you see? You can see this? Can you see this? Isn't Circle K a gas station? I think especially in Atlanta, we know it don't give a focus. Where focus there? See there. I think Circle K is a gas station in Atlanta. Some don't know if a some franchise come to a store out here or whatever. So they like the pan green and oh, the police stop you.
Not sense. It makes no sense to go down the petrol.
Oh yeah, crazy, it's crazy. Police tomorrow, guys. Crazy mad rush in the city right now. Guys, we end up out on the tour and it's a disaster. Like honestly. Look down the floor.
Yeah man.
Look down the floor. And watch her. Oh yeah, this reminds me of one Christmas vlog that I have where this toll was it was a disaster.
Yeah.
This toll was on the main toll, but it reminds me of this exact place.
Yes. How in?
Crazy man. I don't know how to Ugh. Black Friday madness. Guys, based on what we're observing, this seems like one of the biggest toll booths here in Jamaica because they have a whole lot of stations, plus some not working, and then you have some that are express. The one with the T are express, and you have that side over there. That side over there for persons who are going back into Kingston. So this is really a big one, and though it's so big, I mean, the line is still barely moving. Cars are barely moving. So guys, can I be honest with you all of what after 12 right now? No? I'm showing what my deal with them. I look at Courier, we just mash up and we just forward in and I don't play them. Explanation to why I just eat, I just finished somebody here. So I just get a chance to eat. I dash off my wig from in my mother car and I see when I come home with my Courier ketchup and thing. I just come here for basically end out the vlog here. Tired plus tax. I know if you eat so late, especially dumpling and rice and them something, we don't eat so late. We don't consume them things so late. But that's why they need them. I just use a wipes and kind of basically half cleared my face off. So that's why I practically look like this. Oh, sorry. Anyways, I'm about to end out this vlog right now. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. I think I actually completed the challenge today. The vlog is probably 40 something minutes long, so yeah, that's the first over here. I think, I'm not sure, but I'm so excited for this weekend because this weekend is where the Vlogmas intro is gonna get done. So yes guys, I mean, that's what's up for this vlog. That's what's happening in this ending part of this vlog. This is where this vlog is gonna end. So subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys. Something in my voice now. That's why I'm talking funny. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.